Can you show Grandma how to do the limbo? Just pretend to be doing the limbo.
I know. Can someone hold their arm? I need the grown-ups.
I'm not doing it.
I gotta take the picture. Well, just show me how you do it. Show me how you do the limbo. Michael, do you know how to do the limbo?
You just turn around and walk backwards.
You gotta go like this, bend your backwards.
And not your belly like that.
Yeah, you gotta bend backwards, Michael. That's right. That was good, guys.
Now do you want a picture of